y'all, Big Daniel, Import Life Media, and today we're heading over to the beautiful city of Corona, California to check out top-notch car shows. All right, got hit up, wanted me to check it out, and what's gonna be dope about it is this show is gonna have two different types of vibes because of what time of day it is. Obviously, you're gonna see all the cars, you know what I mean, during the daytime, paint, systems, and everything like that. But when the sun goes down at night, the show is gonna take on a whole totally different vibe. So tune in and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Top-notch car shows, we're about to check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, let's see what they're talking about. Hey, all of the Mopars, not all of them, but I will say, they're most definitely pulled up and are representing right now. It's a mixed show. I like that. Do you
It's been a long time.
I got it.
It's been a long time.
Hey, you still got more left?
Yeah, I have 3 years.
Huh?
So for sure you're a guy. If we need
gave
a
two
Coke,
away?
we need ice.
Oh, don't say ice.
Oh.
Too soon? Too soon? Look at who we got here, man. We got Mr. Bloody GS and Low Life Abby.
What on, player? Come on, man. Thanks for coming. I got something new for you, though.
Yeah?
You guys know each other or what? That's what's up.
Yeah. Well, you trying to say all black people are related?
Us black people gotta stick around.
Yeah.
Fuck the Mexicans.
Yeah.
Fuck the Mexicans.
Yeah,
Us
but
black
I
people
don't
gotta
speak
fight.
Spanish, so I'm doubly.
Oh, man. Hey, you California, you gotta speak Spanish, dog. Come on,
I'm
man.
in Michigan.
Oh. Let's see. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So then now I got to. Okay. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah. That's you, man. Yeah. Bro, when I say new, I put that box in last night.
If you remember, his subs used to be in here, right here.
Took a shower and came here.
Poured it through.
I usually end up coming up here, going out.
All right, man. We over here, Low Life Ivy. You already know the clean ass Avalanche. But he switched up his system. He used to have 3 subs in here, if you remember, right back here. Now he has. You went through a whole different type of sub too, right? You
No,
changed them up.
same subs, just added one. Went from a ported box to a 6th order.
So now it's in the back in the bed and getting ported right through. And I was outside, this thing sounded good, so let's see what it sounds like from the inside.
Damn, baby. Say now.
Damn good. That's a day and night difference from what you had.
Bruh, it was nice before. It's doing a little something else now. So
He just put the box in this morning. This morning before the event. Dude.
I finished 30 minutes, long enough to take a shower and come to the show.
Yeah.
It ain't sealed off, it ain't tuned, the amp's still turned down, none of that.
Oh, so it's not sealed off, not chilled. Oh, so he still has room for growth.
Oh, hell yeah.
No Diddy. No.
Nope, none of that. No Diddy, no Drake, none of that. Get it out of here.
All right, the sun has gone down, and this is when this car show takes on a whole nother look, because everybody got their lights going. Let's check it out. All right, got something real special for y'all. Do you see like the side of my face kind of lit up? I don't know. It's because of this car right here. How much power you think this car has? Look. Hey, these night shows, hey, California summers, man. You can enjoy everything. And it's crazy because a lot of these show cars, I've seen them during the day. Well, not all of them, obviously, but they look amazing during the daytime. And at night, it gives you another little inclination of how much work is put in, it's crazy. Like, this whole parking lot's lit up, and everybody has their own unique style, man. Top Notch, most definitely set the bar high with this one. Let's get back to it, y'all. Look at this truck. Big boy rims, big boy stuff. Hey, what are these, 30s? 28s? 28s. Everywhere she goes, man, she be taking all the trophies, man. It ain't even fair. Man, they're gonna start banning you. Yeah. Hell yeah. I'm sad. I'm so sad, and the reason why is because you haven't liked and subscribed. But guess what? If you do like and subscribe, that'll make me happy. Don't you guys want to see me happy? Dude, that was kind of real, like, bipolar, like, hey, like and subscribe, man. Come on now, I'm everywhere and doing everything.